Now I will discuss the subtraction by the number line. There are, you can say this, three methods, and I have given you the three examples for that. So here the topic is subtraction up to 20 number, up to 20 numbers, 20 number by number line. In this case, whenever it is asked to do the problem on the number line, so first step is that in such cases, the number line up to 20 should be drawn. Because it is for class 1 students. So you have to make very clear that if question is up to 10 number, so draw the line up to 10. If it is up to 20, draw the line up to 20. So here, this is a very, very important suggestion for the students to do it. Now I will give the example. Example 1. Subtract text 2 from 8 by using number line. Why I am repeating these questions? Because in the earlier, the subtraction was done in the different way. But here, I have thought that it should be explained in the better way than the earlier one. First, number line. In a question, the maximum number is 8. So we should draw the number line up to 10. So here, we can draw the number line 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If line is extended, makes no difference. Now just see. Step 1, because we have to subtract 2 from the 8. ध्यान सुनिएगा. 8 is the first digit, 2 is the second digit. I have explained earlier. So step 1, join 0, just 8. 8 means just put a line above this thing. So you will remember where from start and where to end. So join 0 and 8 in semicircle, in a semicircle on top of the number line. Be careful, on the top of number line. With arrow. Obviously, with arrow will be in forward direction. So if you just do, then it will be very easy to draw like this, because number is there. You draw this and put 8. Now, just see, you have to subtract. You have to subtract 2 from 8. So count 2 backward directions. This is the backward or reverse direction. Backward I will write only backward. So what is this? Here it is 1, 1, 2. So here I will say you draw below the line. Earlier I have done by drawing in this way, but this is a modified one. It is very clear to understand. Top means positive, bottom means negative. So this gives the positive direction, positive value, and it will give negative value. Positive value and negative value. Generally, this is a new method on the number line. Now it is very clear. If you just reverse 2, so what is left? This is 6 and 0. So step 1 is, I have just, second step, I am writing so that one should not forget my words. Count backward oblique, it is also called the reverse. It is also called descending. From 8 to 6. दो हो गया, 1, 2. तो from 8 to 6. Now, step 3. Join 8, not 8. Yeah, step 3. Join 8 and 6 in semicircle with arrow below number line. That means the first digit should be on the top and second digit should be below. So you can say it is the top to understand better way, and this is below with respect to number line. Okay. Then step 4 is join 0 and 6. Just say in this way. So now join 0 to 6. in semicircle above number line. With arrow. You can say positive value. And finally, the result will be eight o minus 2 is equal to 6. This is the first method. Why I have repeated? Because in the earlier method, I have drawn the line like this. So that is basically the correct way of doing the subtraction of a single digit on the number line. Now example 2, I will give the subtraction of the 1 digit from the 2-digit number. So I will just remove it, this one. So I'll just go to remove it. Eraser. Example 2. Subtract 7 from 17 by using number line. Here we know that the number 17 is a 2-digit number. The maximum 2-digit number here is 20. So answer I will just put you. First draw number line up to 20. First draw number line up to 20. So what is number line here? Care should be taken by lefting some space above the number line and below the number line, so that you can adopt the first method to solve this problem. So I am just here putting the number line like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 again I am putting here like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, again 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. again 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. If there is extra number, forget about that. Again, ask the student to write here top of line and here bottom of line. Line means number line. This should be written, so the student should, and also you can say this is positive and this is negative. Positive number and negative number. Here, what is the positive number? Positive number is 17, negative number is 7. So now you have to solve in a similar way as I have done in the example 1. So I am not going to write the step, but short way I will write the step 1. What is step 1? Join 0 to 17. So mark here 17 like this, bigger line. So that you can remember, you can see in the copy that you are joining 0 to 17 like this in a semicircle. And put 17 here. Obviously, it is on the top and also it is in the forward direction. Forward direction. So step 1 is draw or join. Draw a semicircle between 0 and 17 with forward direction. So it is a positive value. This is the positive value. Positive value is always upward. Second step. अब देखिए, अब यहां पर जो बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन क्या करना है 7. So be careful that you should have a sufficient space below. So just count 7 in a backward directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. देखिए यहां पर जो ये यहां पर कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि 17 में से 7 हटाएंगे तो 13 आना चाहिए. 17 माइनस 7, यस. तो 17 यहां है तो क्या होगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो यहां पर आपको थोड़ा सा यहां पर आपको यहीं पर नीचे ही जो मैंने आप एरो कर दीजिए, जिससे कि ज्वाइन करने में आपको आसानी रहे जो है यहां पर, और इसको ज्वाइन कर दीजिए इस तरह से. इसको आप निगेटिव भी कह सकते हैं और बैकवर्ड भी कह सकते हैं. बैकवर्ड मैं ब्रैकेट में लिख रहा हूं जिससे कि ये कंफ्यूजन न हो. पॉजिटिव हो गया, निगेटिव हो गया, तो फाइनल रिजल्ट क्या होगा आपका जो है यहां पे लिखिए ड्रॉ ए सेमी सर्किल between 17 and 10 after backward counting counting of 7 from 17. What I have done? I have written. So finally what you have to do? Step 3. Finally, join. अब यहाँ 10 में थोड़ा सा ये स्पेस बना दीजिए और फिर इसको ज्वाइन ऐसे कर दीजिए और यहां पर लिखिए 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. So finally join 0 and 10 in forward direction. So step 4 final result is मैं यहां पे इसलिए लिख रहा हूं कि 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. So that is how the subtraction of a single digit from the 2 digit. Now I will give you third example. So I will delete this one. How same thing has been done. This is example 3. Same question here I am repeating. And this is the final and the best way to avoid any confusion in the previous examples. Here again, another example I am telling you, subtract 9 from 20 by using number line. I am also teaching my own school, Burst Public School, and I have seen the teachers, they are adopting only first or second method. Also, forward and reverse, they are doing only on the top. But teachers should understand what is the convenient way for the students to learn faster. That is how I am preparing all this, my lecture, from class 1 to class 8. Initially, I am just taking the mathematics of class 1 and I am trying my best to explain this one. Now just here 20 is the biggest number, largest number. So we should draw a number line, answer. Draw number line, up to 20. ध्यान रखिएगा, कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. एक फिगर बना है उसी में मिटा के सेकंड. नो, आई एम ड्राइंग नंबर लाइन फर्स्ट टाइम, सेकंड टाइम, थर्ड separately. So the number line will be from here to here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In a book, number line is already there, only a student to draw. But you request the student to draw the line in a copy itself. So they will understand the 1 to 4 is a small line, and 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. They should ask to write, this is the top, above, number line, ask them to write positive value, positive direction, like this. Here it is the bottom, below, number line. Here negative value. Why? Because you have to subtract 20 minus 0.9 OT. So this becomes top, this becomes bottom, this becomes positive, this becomes negative. Now, what is the new I am going to tell you? Nothing new. You don't have to make a semicircle of 20 number, because 20 number is fixed. What you have to do? You have to subtract 9 from 20. So if you just count, it will be difficult. So what you do, you can make just like, this is the 1 arrow, this is the 2 arrow, this is the 3 arrow, this is the 4 arrow, this is the 5 arrow, this is the 6 arrow, this is the 7 arrow. And you have to draw the 9, 7. Then it is the 8 arrow and it is the 9 arrow. अब देखें यहाँ पर कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. ये 20 में से आपको जो है क्या घटाना है? 9. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो 20 में से 9 क्या होगा? 11. तो फाइनल रिजल्ट इज हियर. So how will write in the words? I am just trying to tell you. The step 1. Count 9 times from 20 to 9. यानी 20 से 9 करना है. इन ए सेमी सर्किल step by step by single digit. At bottom. तो अब 9 के 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इसमें गलती होने की चांसेस नहीं है, लेकिन काउंटिंग में हो सकता है गलती हो जाए, लेकिन इसमें गलती होने का नहीं है. ये हमारा एश्योरेंस है. अब देखिए, एज शोन एबव लिख दीजिए, एज शोन एबव। अब स्टेप 2 क्या होगा? इट एंड्स at 11. This means means 20 minus 09 is equal to 11. This method is only applied in a subtraction, not in a addition. So you write also this, all three example, the examples for subtraction is only applicable in negative minus, obviously, subtraction. I am looking not in addition. एडिशन में ये मेथड नहीं अप्लाई होता है. एडिशन में टेलीमार्क इज द बेस्ट वे. So this is how I have explained the subtraction of the single digit from the 2 digit by 3 method. So I will hope that will ends my lecture, and I will make a word problem